everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change language in Critical Ops. Critical Ops is a fast-paced mobile FPS that supports multiple languages, allowing players worldwide to enjoy the game in their preferred language. To change the language on Critical Ops, first of all launch the app open on your mobile device. From the main home screen, tap on the gear button at the top right corner to access the settings menu. Now from the left hand side menu, make sure that you've selected General and under General tap on Language. Now you can go ahead and change to a different language by tapping on the arrow towards the right and the left hand side. Immediately after selecting a language, you'll be able to see that your display language has now automatically changed. Explore around with other language options and find the one that you want to change to. Once you are done, you can get back and use Critical Ops on your preferred language. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.